Hey, how you doing? Sean Tech here. A couple of folks that we're been talking to recently were like, can you just go outside and look at some dirt? And I was like, dirt? And I got lots of that. I got lots of dirt on all kinds of things out there. So I grabbed a shovel. I walked outside. It's about 10, 10:45 at night, something like that. Walked out to my backyard with the shovel, started digging a hole, looked around really quick to make sure neighbors weren't looking at me with very concerned faces at that point, which I mean probably were at this point. And I got a box full of dirt is what I did. I only dug like maybe like an inch or so deep into some what I would call like muddy grounds, if you will. Is we whoa, whoa, wow. I mean, like one of the things that I have understood is that silicon is one of the most abundant materials within the Earth crust, and that like when you grab down and you reach down for some silicon, that 100, like it's like 100,000 parts per million, something like that. Like basically about 10%, like 5 to 10% of all the stuff that's in the Earth's crust consists of silicon and silicon-based stuff. So I'm looking at this. I'm no gardener. I'm no expert to that, but man, dude, that's really, really kind of neat looking. Look at that. You can see little roots. Oh, cool. You can see little roots and stuff in there. Oh, that's neat. Can you see that? Can you see? Is that me? That's me moving it, right? That's yeah. That's I got scared for a second. Like, oh, there's nobody's home in this, right? Nobody's home, anything like that. Take a look at those little roots there. Can you? I'm gonna try to get. So there is a lot of height variation happening here with these roots. I'm gonna try to do my. I swear I hear something moving inside there. What was that? What was that? I keep hearing something moving. Is that me? Did I pull something into the house? Wow, that is really kind of neat. Is what that looks like. You can see I'm at about 20x magnification is what I'm at. I'm gonna kind of try to focus in on both that root and the muddy piece of dirt that's right next to it. Whoa! There's little black pieces next to what is essentially just a little tiny plant root of. Swear, I keep hearing things move. I don't know if that's just me or what that is. Anyway, that's really kind of cool. I'm at about 40x magnification is what I'm looking at that root with right now. That little. I'm assuming that's a root. I'm no gardener. I'm no plant biologist or anything like that. Any plant biologists out there? Can you tell me what that is based on what you see in this picture? Probably. I would imagine that you actually probably could. Whoa, that's really kind of neat. Look at all that stuff that's with it there. Look at all the things. There's all kinds of minerals and things on the inside of there. There, I actually kind of see something. I actually see something kind of. Oh, that's really tall. How am I? Okay, let me get that out of the way here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to focus up on that guy in particular. That's going to be actually a pretty good challenge for me here. Okay, let me. Whoa, excuse me. Sorry. Let me try getting up a little bit higher there. Whoa, my microscope might just start to kind of tip over here. Whoa. I don't know what that is. You see that there? There's like a little. I'm going to try to push this down just a little bit. There's definitely a rock embedded within the. Here, I'm going to push this down just a little bit further so I can get it into focus. My microscope is actually already up at about its maximum height that it can really be. This would probably be a little bit easier if I took that piece. In fact, I'll take that piece out here and just I'll take that piece out, and then here, excuse me. Can I have you? Is that okay? Can I have you? Is that okay? Yeah. Wow, that's really kind of cool. So I've got this. I've got one of the what I think is just a basic. Oh, sorry about that. That's my soldering iron going off. Wow, I've got this kind of little pebble that definitely has some sort of a shinier silicate-like property to it. Is what it has there. Might be from the fact that it's kind of wet right now. Then there might be several people of the geology side. Now I actually have to bring the microscope back. I keep hearing something move within here. Is that just me? Is that just me? It's got to be just me. It's got to be. It's got to be just me. All right, so I'm gonna bring you down a scotch. All right. Oh, I bumped the rock. Excuse me. Didn't mean to bump the rock there. Wow, look at that. Yep. See that? There's definitely some sort of a. I mean, it's covered up in the mud, but there's definitely something kind of shiny around that thing. I'm gonna try to kind of scrape some of the mud off and away from that. Whoa. Or I could probably just go and grab some water. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. I wonder what kind of mineral that is. Any geologists out there that know what that is? It's probably just like a silicate or something like that. What is moving in here? Okay, I hear that. I hear that. Is there something here? Who's home? Somebody here? Is somebody What is that? Is that what I'm hearing? Hi? How are you? How you doing? Sorry, did I wake you up? Oh, I think it's an earthworm. I hope. I swear I keep hearing something moving around. Is that you? What is that? All right. So now comes the Okay, where are you? Is this you? Hi. I Boke? I? Hello? Ooh, boy, I'm sorry about that. Jeez. Man. All right, so that's good. That's did not expect. Well, I guess I did kind of expect there to be an earthworm and I'm in a shovel full of mud. Is what did. Whoa! There's a little blood vein on the guy. Oh my goodness, where are you going? Wait, come back here. Are you? I know you're probably trying to eat. Nothing worse than being disturbed at dinner time. I'm gonna be as gentle as possible to try and. Holy cow! Look at that! Look at that! Whoa! What is going on? Is that the insides of it? Is that its heart? Are you okay? It's moving and everything. I'm not even zoomed. Ah! It is. I think it's eating. Whoa! It's pulsating. Look at that. I'm gonna try. It's kind of moving, so it's hard to stay focused on that thing. Wow. That is weird looking. Is that its stomach? Are there multiple stomachs? Or is this? Hey, wait! Can you come back? You're on my show. Wait, come here, Paul the worm, Mr. Maker. I'm sorry, but I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to see what you look like here as I poke at you with a. I'm not poking at it. I'm not poking. I'm just trying to. Hi. How are you? Yeah. It's looking at me. Oh my goodness. Hi. How are you doing? That's its head. That is definitely its head. Look at that guy. Trying to keep up with you, man. I'm trying to keep up with you. I know. I'm gonna put you back. I promise. I'll put you back. I didn't mean to. He's trying. He's like 5 more minutes and get me the heck out of here. Probably doesn't like being underneath this much light, I imagine, as well. But that is so crazy. Look at all that stuff inside. Look at that. Look at that. And that's at roughly 20x magnification. I'm gonna get what is happening here. Any worm biologists can tell me what it is. I mean, am I looking at blood flowing through this? I mean, if I had to guess, that's have to be, I guess, what that basically is. Or am I looking at something else? Can I look at your face again? Here, I'm just gonna don't mind me. I'm just here. Where are you? Hi, are you? Go back. Come here, Paul. Paul the worm. Paul. Hey, Paulie. Come on back here, Paulie. Paul the worm. No, anyone out there named Paul? I'm really sorry. This is just sort of. Hey, it's just slid right past me. These guys are slick. At least underneath the microscope. Hi. Can you come out here for a second? Can you come out? Hi. How you doing? I'm poking at this thing with a screw. Here, let me try something a little bit more gentle. How about just a little Q-tip? It's just a Q-tip. It's like being poked at with a pillow. Oof. Hi. I'm just gonna pull you out. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. It's mad. It doesn't like me right now. I mean, I'll let you go back in for a second. I just want to kind of get a look at your face. Hi. Whoa. Did not expect that to be in the dirt. Oof. It's just like oof is what it's doing. Oof. Hi. can't like see its eyeball or anything like that. You're probably very, very uncomfortable in this light right now. I imagine I've got an not an ultraviolet. I've got an LED light source, and now it's bonking against the edge, and it's like, hey man, hey, what's this? This is not food for me. I'm gonna put you back. I promise. I'm gonna put you right back where I found you. I just think that's really neat to look at. I mean, on top of that, just looking at all the minerals and stuff around there as well. But that's really kind of cool. That the way that the whatever is flowing with that. That's really kind of neat. All right, that's a that's my first pile of dirt. A new high, I suppose, or a new very interesting, very interesting at that. I'm no plant biologist, but there's stuff out there looks absolutely crazy. If you have any comments of things that you'd like me to go out in the middle of the night and dig underground to see if I can find for and not look suspicious in my own backyard, let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you're interested in seeing anything else. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, Paul. Everyone say bye, Paul. Bye, Paul. Oh boy, I'm gonna put him back right now.